Believe me, I do not remember the name of this plant, guys. It's bad, right? I need to know the name of my plants. But here's one. I don't know how long he or she has been enclosed. And I'm gonna hang out with this butterfly for a few minutes as I do my word search, sitting in the garden. And with that butterfly, I'm checking to see if there's any more. But two chrysalises are here hanging on the wall. Where are they? Right there. I don't know what else is. Oh, look at this. Here is another butterfly. I'm trying not to scare it. Looks like it was eclosed recently. Do you see it? And here's another one that looks like it's gonna be ready. A chrysalis, like it's gonna be ready maybe within the next, I don't know, 24 hours or so. Could be more, could be less. So yeah, as you can see, I'm low on milkweeds. There is one more. Monarch caterpillar. You can see they're growing back since I left. God, I have some work to do in my garden. Let's see if there's anything else I can show you today. I know my volume may be low, so I gotta kick it up, right? I don't know what else, where else to look, because they're always hiding. Hey guys, I have this trumpet plant that I was given. I know we're talking about butterflies. By a friend of mine, and I see a trumpet's getting ready to blow, getting ready to show. It's gonna be beautiful. I understand they smell good. Poisonous if you eat it or your animals eat it, this plant, but it's nice. I'm in the garden, so why not mix up everything, right? Anyway, thank you for watching my channel, and if you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. Oh wow, I just saw another butterfly. Look at this. Look at this one. Can you see it? I don't want to scare the butterfly, but it's right there. Woo, that's number 3. Wow, I'm really scared to weed my garden because I do not know where these chrysalises are, and I do not want to disturb them. So yeah, as you can see, my milkweeds are growing back. I need to cut these and stick them in the ground, stick them in the pot, so they can, you know, start springing up into new trees. Anyway guys, thank you again for watching. You have yourself a great day, and remember, subscribe to my channel if you want to see, and if you want to see new videos as I upload them, ring the bell, okay? And give me a thumbs up if you like what you see. Take care. Out.